Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how you can change notification bar icons. So at the first you have to open notification bar, then tap right here on the right upper corner, and if you want to switch the place of these icons you have to click and hold and then drag it to the place that you want to put it. So for example, I would like to get location right here, and the same, wait a minute, okay, and the same for the flashlight and the mobile data. Okay, as you can see, it was very easy, but if you want to, add additional icons, for example, you want to get the NFC here, you have to click and hold it and then drag it the same place that you want to get it. I'm putting on the 5th place, and then if you want to delete one of these icons from this quick notification list, you have to drag it right here. Click done, and as you can see, it's finished. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.